okay, 10-year-old me would be like, ah! You know what I mean?
Look at us.
Attention, Margot is on the carpet. We're on the pink carpet. Yes, it's not red, it's absolutely pink. And we're gonna speak to some exciting people today.
If I may give a 10-second primer on Kenergy, all right? Kenergy is for each and every Ken to define for themselves and what they're feeling in any specific moment. But it is always an individual feat. It's not about conforming. It's about being your most authentic, best, truest self, feeling that confidence radiate from outside you, and occasionally showing the guns.
Showing the guns. Okay.
The sun's out. Sun's out, guns out. You know what I mean?
Sun's out, guns out. And did you take anything fun from set?
Oh my gosh, I took my sides, so my little script, because they were printed out in pink. And I was like, that's such a fun memento, the fact that everything was truly so pink. It's like really like healing for your inner child to like live in true Barbie land.
Preserve it.
Absolutely. Oh, I keep so many mementos, I got it, yeah. It's in there, I've got Whistledown's first issue,
Okay.
I've got my badge from Dairy Girls.
We're waiting on that. We're waiting
Me
on
too,
that.
girl, me too, I don't know when it's out. If people ask me, I'm like, I'm
Ready?
It's good to go.
Hey. Issa Rae, it's a vibe. It's a vibe. What would you bring from Barbie Land into the real world?
I would definitely bring the pink sand beaches of Barbie Land and the fact that women run everything. I think that is the coolest thing in Barbie Land that we need here. We need more women leaders. We need more women everything.
Who run the world?
Girls.
I wasn't really a Barbie girl when I was younger. I was more like a roll around in the mud kind of girl, so she'd be surprised. She'd be very surprised. She'd be thrilled that we're making movies, though. Yeah, that's always into movies.
And what one thing would you bring from Barbie Land to the real world?
Issa Rae is president.
Issa Rae is president. Turn up the music. I'm gonna be alright. Okay. Alright. It's about damn time. Have you taken anything from set?
Yeah, I took a tiny little horse from one of the Ken areas. I really should have robbed something more Barbie-esque, like maybe a comb or something, but I knew that was probably going to get preserved in a vault somewhere, but nobody cares about the Ken stuff, so I took a horse and it's probably sitting in a drawer somewhere because I don't even care about it.